Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Chloe.
And my name is Najat. It's a remarkable day to be a Panther.
Happy Tuesday and welcome back from Thanksgiving break. We want to say congratulations to our amazing band for being named the fan favorite at the Florida Blue Classic Battle of the Bands.
Panther all-girls soccer team hosts Master Academy.
Soccer game starts at 5:30 for JV and 7 p.m. for varsity.
All-girls basketball team hosts Okeechobee at 7.
Our boys basketball team will host Celebration tomorrow.
The game tomorrow will start at 6:30 for junior varsity and 7:30 for varsity.
In Heritage Club news, make plans for Friday. First priority will be meeting during all 3 lunches in the auditorium lobby. There will be pizza, games, friends, and fellowship.
Panther are good at Math Heritage. Math Lead is looking for competition club member. The Math Lead club meets tomorrow and run until the Math League competition in January 2024.
The club will meet every Tuesday in Miss Lloyd's classroom 4218. If you have any questions about joining, please email.
Remember, Panther are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!